Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying ownership. This prevents accidental breaches. Have your account email, phone, purchase receipt, or serial number ready. You will need these when contacting support. Check cloud services and recent backups because restoring from backup can avoid password recovery entirely. Once done, make sure two-factor devices are available. They speed verification. Do not attempt third-party cracking tools. Those risk data loss and legal issues. Instead, proceed with the vendor or official account recovery flow right away. Next, use the app or device's official recovery path. Tap Forgot Password and follow prompts. These systems are designed to protect you and your data. When prompted, use linked email or SMS codes and enter backup codes if you saved them. If an app recovery fails, escalate to vendor support and present ownership proof, serial number, receipt, or ID, as they can assist with account resets or safe data export. This preserves privacy and avoids voiding warranties. It's the secure, supported method. For finalizing, prioritize restoring photos from verified cloud or local backups before any reset. If recovery isn't possible, export any accessible data, then consider a factory reset as a last resort. Be aware it erases vault contents. If you remain locked out and own the device, request formal ownership verification through vendor legal channels or consult a reputable data recovery service. They require proof and follow lawful procedures. Troubleshooting tip: keep any support case numbers and screenshots. They speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.